Hey everybody, I'm just about to relax here for a bit and play some Xenoblade Chronicles X for the first time. I never played the Wii U version of it, so I'm excited to see what this next version will be like. Let's see, I think that there's a way to make this full screen for me to... Let's see, so new game, that is continue, new game, settings. Do I need any of those? I think I'll just get a new game and see what it goes to. I've previously played some of these, but I don't think that I've really played one to completion. I don't know if I'm going to play this one to completion either. We'll just have to see what happens towards the end of this thing. Let me see if maybe... There, maybe it's a little bit nicer. Not. Oh, well, you still see the fan blades up there. Maybe it's more mysterious what's going on up there now. Hi. Do you want to come around the side? You can come around the side. Come up on the stairs. You want to do that? You don't have to. I'm not trying playing a video game. You can try staring at me. I appreciate it. You're a good boy. I wonder what's gonna happen. You come up here on the couch? You wanna jump? You wanna jump up there? Oh, look at you being a jumper. Good for you. Good boy. Okay. Let's play some video game for a little bit. How do you think the video game's gonna go? You think it's gonna go well for the video game people on the screen? Yeah, you're a good dog.
July 2054 AD. The Earth was caught in a great battle between unknown alien forces. Their weapons were terrifying and powerful beyond human reckoning. Our planet was overwhelmed, its surface reduced to ash and rubble in the blink of an eye. The Coalition government knew the war was coming. In response, they prepared the Earth-Life Colonization Project, Project Exodus. Interstellar arcs were launched all across the planet, from every major city on Earth. Bravely, we leapt from our cradle, our home for the last 4.5 billion years. But most of the arcs never even made it out of the atmosphere. Only a small handful managed to escape. Among them was our ship, the White Whale. After leaving Earth behind, we spent 2 years wandering in space, searching. We thought of ourselves as the lucky ones, the pioneers who would settle a new world. But our past caught up with us. Literally. The alien blitz was unrelenting. If not for the efforts of a lone hero, we would never have survived. Our ship took heavy damage. We lost control. With our flight systems down, the White Whale was pulled into the gravitational field of a nearby planet, its hull shattering and breaking to pieces as we plummeted toward the surface. Since then, 2 months have passed.
Now loading. Oh, who do I want to be? Alright. Let's see. I usually like to be... I like to play as a female character just to try to feel... I don't know, not feel, I guess, but see what it's like to live as somebody, like, different from myself. Part of the... not the practice of empathy, I guess, but like the, I don't know. It's nice sometimes, you know? Just to see what the world's like from somebody else's point of view. I don't know what all these buttons are. Save, I know a lot of people like to spend a whole lot of time on these screens to get things set up. Oh, no way, it gives the name of the person. Let's see, do I know any of these people? Let's see, how do I play the voice?
I've been... Shall we?
Shall we then? We sure owned them! What do you say?
Shall we?
We're gonna do great.
They staggered me.
Hey there!
Let's go now. Which buttons Start. Alright, I've heard good things about this game, but I've also heard that it takes 200 hours to play. And I don't know if I've got that much time. We'll see how much time I can get through here. I feel like the dog's being pretty cool about it right now, which is good. Might pop up at any minute and be like, time's up. Gotta do stuff.
Attention, external access confirmed.
I was hoping
Disengaging
playing on the
stasis
couch like
in
this
10
would actually
seconds.
help,
7,
like, be
6,
chill.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's my hand! Whose hand is it? Oh, it's mine.
Releasing hatch. Please stand
like a
clear.
Halo Spartan. Oh no, I don't have my cool armor on.
Hey there.
Hi.
Looks like you're all in one piece.
That's the number I was hoping for. Look at those shiny graphics. I feel like they're twice as shiny as they would have been on the Wii.
Careful. Just take it nice and slow, okay? Your senses will need time to reactivate.
Look at that grass. I like the texture on the ground.
Your pod is the only one around that landed intact. Good thing I found you. My name's Elma. You want to tell me yours?
Sure. Maybe.
You don't even remember your own name?
Oh no, I'm just shy.
It must be the stasis hangover. That's not good.
I had all of the beer.
Just try and focus, all right?
Okay. My eyes don't really want me to. Let's see. So I'm gonna go with my name for all the things that I like to do. Because it reminds me of nothing and astronaut and cosmonaut and other not things. Okay. Confirm.
Good, there we go.
Confirm.
What else you remember? It'll come. In the meantime, I'll get you up to speed here as best I can. How are your limbs? Can you move?
No, I cannot. Oh wait, yes I can. I got the controller. Yeah, okay. Nod, shake your head. Show your body is working fine. If I shake my head... Alright, I'll shake my head. Send mixed signals here.
We'll take it easy while you shake the stasis out of your system. One step at a time, all right?
You got it.
First things first. You'll be needing a weapon.
Yeah. Step by step, bud. Here's a gun.
There you go. All right, let's get going.
Here we go. Try to recover, but equip yourself for anything. Here's a gun. Gotta love it. It's a video game after all, and this is America. Okay. If you're ever stumped about where to go next, be sure to check any nearby places marked with an exclamation mark. Doing so should reveal the way forward, though an occasional excursion off the beaten path never hurts. You know what they say about all work and no play after all. That's right, that's all. Okay, so there's stuff on the map up and to the right. If I look in front of that thing, if I look back here, there's other yellow stuff. Or not red, yellow stuff. Red stuff? I guess that's red stuff. And a wall. Alright, I guess they're telling me that I can't go that way yet. Can I jump? No, I can fly. Okay, I can change weapons with X. Why doesn't... Oh, okay, I gotta advance the story. Alright, to the thing we go. Okay, we can sprint using the left thumbstick. That makes me happy. Can I slide? Oh, what happened? Oh, okay. Cutscene.
Most of the white whale's life pods didn't survive the crash, like this one. You're one of the lucky few.
My character Ahab. What was I thinking?
Right. You don't even remember the white whale, do you?
Of course I do. It's my lifelong
You know, the
enemy.
L002?
I am Ahab,
the ship we escaped
Ahab.
Earth on? You remember Earth, right?
That's where we are. Wait.
Planet Earth. Your homeworld. Or rather, it used to be anyway.
Oh God, what a horrible thing to wake up to.
Unfortunately, it was caught in a battle between two alien forces.
Aliens?
And destroyed.
That's what the last one.
Ring any bells?
Nope.
Don't feel bad. It's one memory I'd like to forget. I know. It's been following me for a while now. I didn't want to alarm you, but we're going to need to defend ourselves. You up to the task?
I think so. Let's find out. I like the movie. Okay, let's initiate combat by targeting an enemy, then drawing your weapon. Now what do you say to give it a whirl? I'll be here to back you up. Feel free to experience it. Draw a weapon. Oh boy. After you've drawn your weapon with the aim, it'll automatically attach your weapon to a certain
man, we're stuck on a whole different planet. No peace in the sky, chains always all around, so we stay quick with the guns and cannons. Standing as long as we can until we get all dogs up, then call our bets off with no talk. Dealing with odds, messed up.
Arts or special abilities and methods give you access to select them. Oh, I think my dog wants that. I'll be right back.
Wanna see your dark matter, every minute matters. Live a while for the lives, shatter, see it go scatter. If they pour out, we can handle them. It's a car taking over the game, unexpected, hard to accept it. Getting marked with death, see your friends Maybe no more sleep. All swallowed in grief. Images start to stalk my enemies. I hear voices, but no one talking to me.
Set up maximum 8 after you use the part, it will be put on I like Wait, still. Pull your thing out. What's going on? Target it. What? I'm trying to target.
They said, seek to find the feel, so much sharper skills, but now we can only feel all the pain of the day, don't be real, and we may have to kill, just to stay alive, but they take it away from space, and we don't know our own fate. We've been tasked to protect them, they won't know. But now this is black coming through with a damage, it's gonna get loose really fast, cause it covers everything. This wasn't in the profile, so now we have to find a way to win, but we die out. Living life on the run with a hand on the gun, where's the exit? We can't go back where we came from, we can't go back where we came from.
This game is too hardcore. What's going on? Bar button makes me jump. Other bar button does nothing. R Wait. Alright, if I go to news, A. Yeah, A button works. Okay. If I hit the R button, it at least makes a clicking sound. If I hit the R trigger, that doesn't do anything. What would make the R button do something here? Well, the R button was making me jump, though. Did I take a picture?